Welcome to another video. You must have heard about recent chip shortages around the world. Auto industries are expected to lose $210 billion in 2021. Apple will be manufacturing 11% less iPhone 13s due to chip shortage. Even Ford had to cut the production of its one of the most profitable vehicles due to supply woes. In India, sales of cars were down by 41% in the month of September when compared to the same month of 2020. In fact, most popular gaming consoles like Sony PlayStation 5 and Xboxes are out of stock due to this shortage. Everything around us, phones, cameras, even our refrigerators are powered by the chipsets. The devices which require electricity are likely to have chipsets. Almost every technology designed today is powered by a semiconductor. Our dependence on these chipsets has increased drastically over the years. So now you understand the importance of chipsets in our life. There are very few companies which manufacture their own chipsets, except Intel. Most tech giants such as Apple, Nvidia, AMD only design them, and it is manufactured at TSMC. It is the world's most valuable semiconductor company, the world's largest dedicated independent foundry supplying more than 50% of world's chipset. They produce low-end as well as high-end chipsets. The shortage didn't happen overnight, but it was in the making for many years. When pandemic started, the auto industry expected a slump in the sales of cars. Hence, they cancelled the order of their chipsets from TSMC. TSMC decided to bifurcate the chipsets to other areas such as personal devices, as there was a huge demand for powerful computers for Bitcoin mining, and people also upgraded their work from home setups. In 2021, when auto industry asked TSMC to ramp up production, the company told that it will take time, at least 6 to 12 months, to get the chipsets for auto industries. Because the manufacturing process is tedious and takes some time. Taiwan receives 100 inches of rainfall per year, and typhoons are also common. This year, Taiwan faced worst drought in 56 years. The production of chipset requires lots of water. Hence, TSMC was told by the government to reduce its water utilization by 15%. So this also added to ongoing chipset supply problems. Hence, even personal devices such as gaming consoles are facing supply shortage. As you can see, the weakest link here is TSMC, which occupies more control of manufacturing the chipsets. So even a small problem in TSMC supply chain can have huge effect on big tech companies. This can happen again in future. The world now wants to reduce over reliance on a few of the chip manufacturing companies and diversify the production in other companies. India is one of the countries that big companies are looking to manufacture chipsets. Government of India has decided to give 1 billion to every chip maker in India. Of course, there are many challenges as chip manufacturing at a large scale requires billions of rupees and is a complex process. If India can succeed in this, it would become one of the powerhouses for manufacturing and supplying chipsets all over the world. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section.